It's been a while since I used my trimmer. On a normal day, I wouldn't care about that, but someone left this comment on my channel. Hey Kofi, can you show us how you prepared a trimmer after a long break? Yes, random commenter. I'm gonna do just as you say. It's been so long since I used this.
When you have them sitting down for a long time of not using, they tend to fill up with some old dirty fuel. Take out all of the old fuel and fill it up with a new one. You want to take off it anymore, it becomes harder. This is what your carburetor should be looking like after you clean it up. One thing you should never screw with is this screw, literally.
Thank you. I just got back with the fuel, but there's one very important thing to do before we start to try it out. Obviously, I cannot do this inside because I'm here and I want to put this on now and actually start doing some grass trimming. So yeah, come with me. At this point, it wasn't starting up and I was feeling kind of dull. Maybe because I didn't entirely clean out the carburetor, but yeah, it absolutely led to nothing. And I guess this time was a charm. I think the carburetor has died from sitting for so long. So here's the deal. I'm going to take it to the tech tomorrow to check it out. If you enjoyed the video, click down here to subscribe and like the video. It goes a long way for me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.